Good morning, babies. I hope you all are doing good. Yes? Okay, so babies, we are doing vowel O. Yes? Short sound of vowel O and long sound of vowel O. Okay? So let's begin the class. Okay? So babies, we all know vowels. Yes? This vowel we are going to do today. This is vowel O. A long sound is O and short sound is A. Okay? Now look here. Let's read the short sound words. You can open page number page number 68. So we are doing page number 68, 69 and 70. Okay, now page number 68. So what is written here? Write the correct word below each picture. So we have to find out what is the word. So if there are so many people gathered together, we call them mob. Ma or ba, mob. And this man is robbing. So we'll say ra or ba, rob. Dog, dog. Log, log. This is cord. Cord, cord. Job, job. Sob, sob. The girl is crying. Rod, rod. Okay. Now the next page. Match each picture with the correct word. Match each picture with the correct word. So let's read these words first. Rob, log, job, mob, dog, rod, sob, cord and job. Rob. So who is robbing? This man. Okay. Log. This is log. Job. Who is doing job? This man is doing job. Mob. This is mob. Dog. Where is dog? Dog. Rod. This is a rod. Sob. This girl is sobbing. Cord. Cord. So this is the cord. Okay. Jog. Who is jogging? This boy is jogging. So jog. So this we are going to do. Page number 69 and one more page. This is page number 70. So let's read the words first. Mop. Maid is mopping. Our helper is mopping the room. Top. Cop. He is cop. And hop. He is hopping. Okay. So read the word and then do page number 70 with the beautiful handwriting. Okay. Now let's read your TP tab book. So today we will read O sound words. Okay. O sound sentences. Let's read. We can hop and jog. The dog sits on the log. I can spin in a spin my top. The mop is in the box. The horse, long sound, the horse can trot. The horse can trot. Now the next page. Baby CK, we call it K. When two K comes here, but we call them K. CK gives us a sound of K. Okay? CK, K. Now, my blocks and my clock. My clock. My blocks are in a box with my socks. I have a lock for my box. And near, this is near. Okay? Long E sound, near. A is silent. Two vowels are walking. First one does the talking. And near my cot, my clock goes. Tick tock, tick tock. So, how does the clock do? Tick tock, tick tock. Yes, let's read them let's read it one more time. My blocks and my clock. My blocks are in a box with my socks. I have a lock for my box. And near my cot, my clock goes tick tock, tick tock. Okay, now let's do the long sound words with the short sound word. Vowel O, short sound and long sound. So we all know if we have only one vowel in the word, we call it with the short sound. Okay, now let's read. Pop, pa of a pop, ha of a hop, ra of a rock, ka on a corn. Yes, you all can read it with the short sound. Yes, babies. Now let's make the long sound of these words. Let's make the long sound of these words. Okay. So if I put magical letter E here at the end, first vowel will give us a long sound. So pa of a pop. Now this is O. Okay. In church you will find Pope. In temples you can see the Pandits, and in church you will see the Pope. Hop. Hop. Hope. I hope you people are doing good job. You people are doing lot of reading practice. So hop and hope. Rob and robe. Robe. It's a full dress. Okay. Ra over robe. Corn and cone. Cone. Ka on cone. Okay, so this is the short sound and long sound. Because we have got two vowels here, it is giving us a long sound. When two vowels are walking, first one does the talking and it gives us a long sound. Second will remain silent. Okay. Now let's read them once again. Pop, po, hop, hope, rob, robe, corn, cone. Okay, now let's do the words with vowel O. So, who all are the guests for today? We have og, o and y becomes oi, oi. Okay, O and W gives us two sounds. Okay, remember it gives us two sounds. One is O like ba, o, bo, and one is ow like ka, ow, cow. Okay, so it gives us two sounds, O and ow. O and ow. Always remember that. Okay. Now let's make the words. Og, d of dog, f of frog, j of jog, l of log, and h of hog. And she is hogging the food. D of dog, frog, jog. Jogging is a good exercise. Log. A frog is sitting on a log. Hog. Do not eat the food. Oi. So ba oya boy. Ta oya toy. Ja oya joy. Two sounds of OW. One is O and one is ow. So ba o bow. Okay, gents wear bow here and we say bow down. Bow down. Yes. Okay. Now, ka ow cow. We will not say here po. This is ka ow cow because here OW is giving us ow sound. So ka ow cow. Ha ow how. How are you? Okay. La o low. The temperature is going low. So la o lo, ba o bo, but ska ow cow and ha ow how. So OW gives us two sounds, O and ow. Okay, understood everyone? So babies, read and write these words in your copy. Okay, so this is all for today. Have a nice day.